Hello, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. As we have started our second chapter, and in previous session we have seen that there were two brothers, Amit and Puneet, who came to after playing cricket. They came to home for freshen up. Yes, then Amit goes to the washroom and take the shower, wash his face, but what does he do? He forgot to off the shower and comes out and tells to Puneet that it is your turn, you should go. So when Puneet goes inside, he sees that water is not coming out of the tap and he shouts that, "Mom, come quickly." His mom came and they told that water is not coming from the tap. Then after this incident, Amit remembers that he forgot to turn off the tap. So we'll see what happens next. Let us see what is there. This is what happens when we misuse water. We need to save water so that everyone can use it. Okay, here their mom is telling, this is what happens when we misuse water. When we forget to turn off. Yes, when we don't save the water, this only happens. The rest one have to suffer. Because water is not left, now who will suffer? The one who will not get the water. Yes, we need to save water so that everyone can use it. I told you that we have to save the water so that everyone can use it. Not only you, but everyone can use it, and it would be helpful when you don't have water. How do we save water, Mom? Now, Amit is asking that what are the process and how we can save the water, Mom? Now here we'll see how we can save water. Let us see. Take a quick shower. Don't let it run longer than needed. Turn it off after you are done. Now here she is telling that take a quick shower. Okay, quick shower means fast. You have to take the shower very fast and you have to turn it off as soon as your shower is done. As soon as you have bath, you have to turn off your shower so that the water can be saved. We have to not let it go on flowing and then we are singing song, dancing on the shower. No, we have to not do this. We have to just turn it off. Now next let us see what is the process. To wash the floor or a car, use a bucket and not the hose. Many of you have seen that for washing cars, many of you use pipes. Just you put the pipe on the tap and turn on the pipe, and you use pipe to wash your car. You don't remember, you don't know how much water goes on wasting when that process you take. How much of water you have wasted, you don't remember. So you should use bucket and mug to wash your floor or wash your car. Don't use pipe and all. Clear? You should use water only as much as is needed. You should only use water as much as it is needed. Don't use extra water. When you use extra one, it is the wastage of water. When you brush your teeth, turn off the tap until you need to rise in. See, I told earlier now you should turn off the tap until you need to the rise in. Brushing your teeth in the tap is turned on. It is not good way, and it is not the good practice. It is bad practice that the tap is on and we are brushing our teeth. Just brush your teeth because it takes time, and up to that much time if you left the tap open, how much of water gets wasted? Yes, so we should just turn off the tap and do our brushing. When our brushing is over, turn on and rise in. It is a simple way. So these are the three ways Amit and Puneet's mom told. These are the three ways we can save the water. Now let us see on the next page what happens. Now here she is telling more process to save water. Let us see what is that. Check all the taps and valves. No water should drip from them when not in use. Okay, you have seen in many houses that taps are not working properly. One drop water comes out whenever you turn off the tap. So that would be not the process. You should turn the tap more tightly so that a single drop of water not come out of the tap. Clear? Store waters in buckets or tubs to use during emergencies. Okay, if that happens, if just the water comes out 1 or 2 drops, you should put the bucket or a big basket type something, big tub which can store that water. That drop of water can be stored somewhere that can be used later for the emergencies. Yes, don't let them to waste the water. You put something, some vessels under the tap so that water can be saved and it can be used in emergency in the case the water is leaking from the tap. Clear? Now let us see what happens again. Now, when these all children they both listen to these things, Amit says, "You are the best." Amit says to the mom, "You are the best." Puneet, here is a bucket of water. Take a shower and come along with your brother. I will have some snacks ready for you too. Okay, she gives, because she has saved the water, that's why she gives him the water. Otherwise, from where we give? So, our mom is the one who saves the water and helps her. So, she gives the Puneet water, a bucket of water to freshen up, and then she can give him them the snack. I love you, mom. Now, Amit and Puneet is telling that he loves his mom. Now, let us see to the next page what happens. Amit and Puneet learned from their mother not to waste water so that people can also use it in future. They understood that water is precious. Now, from this story, from this thing, what happened to them? They have not got the water for freshening up, but another doesn't got. From that story, they understood that water is precious to us, and their mother told them several ways to save the water, and they thought that water is so precious to us. Without water, we cannot live. Without water, we cannot survive. So, water is very necessary for us. So we should always preserve the water for our future use. We should not waste the water. It is clear, everyone? In this way, we have completed this chapter, and we will do the exercise session in the next period. Okay, for today, this much only. I hope you understand what are the process we can save the water. Just save the water and use it fruitfully. Don't just waste the water. Clear? Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for listening me. Stay safe, stay at your home, and stay healthy. Thank you, all of you.